Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I will show you how to answer. We need to use about integration by substitution. So I will put about u equals to this one. Later that we do first derivative for the both sides. First derivative of x squared. We have to ask. First derivative of x, we have number 1. So we have negative number 6. Later that we divide both sides by number 2. So this one we change by u. S minus 3 dx we change by du over number 2. So the integration of this one, we have negative 1 over u, and I will put about c. About u, that is about this one. And now number 2 go in here. This is the end. Thank you for watching.